Assalamualaikum. Today we will know what is oscillator, RF amplifier and AGC. First of all, we will know what is oscillator. Transmitter and receiver is used in oscillator. And now we can see here that one is transmitter and the other one is receiver. Oscillator is used to generate the RF carrier wave of the transmitter and produces the intermediate frequency of the receiver. Now we can understand that transmitter produces RF carrier wave and receiver produces intermediate frequency. Now we will know what is RF power amplifier. RF power amplifier amplifies the power here. We know that there are three types of power amplifier and they are class A, class B and class C. Class C is much more efficient. Finally, we will know what is AGC. AGC's acronym is automatic gain control. It basically means how much amplifier signal is. We can give an example. If 5-volt signal is amplified to 15 volt, its AGC will be 3. Now we can understand here, if 5-volt signal increases 3 times, then it amplified 15-volt signal. That means its AGC will be 3. Please subscribe our channel, like and share.